A lot of people make the mistake of copying their YouTube video links and then pasting it on their social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or even Twitter. Now, the problem with this is that when people click on that link, it's going to take them to their browser. And 99% of the time, they're not logged into their YouTube account on their browser. So you're going to miss out on the subscriber, you're going to miss out on the likes you're supposed to get from them, you're going to miss out on the comments that you're supposed to get from them. So the right way to do this is by using deep links. So deep links will help you grow your YouTube channel super fast if you're going to be promoting on social media. Because once someone clicks on the deep link, it's going to take them to the native YouTube app where they are signed in already, and then they can like, comment, and even subscribe to your channel. So if you don't want to be losing subscribers, if you don't want to be losing engagement on your YouTube channel, all you have to do is to just come closer and let's dive in. Now, to do that, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your browser and type in LinkedIn. Now, what you're going to be getting for the free account is you're going to get unlimited deep links. You're going to get automatic deep linking for all major apps. You're going to get 1,000 free clicks per month. And you're also going to see who clicks on your links with analytics. Now, how cool is this? Now, what you're going to do to get started is to click on Get Started Free. And then you're going to put in your email address, or you can sign up with your Google account. And to do that, all I have to do now is to click on Google and then follow the prompts, and I'll create my account. So put in your email address and then confirm your password, and then click on agree to terms and conditions. And then I'm going to click on I am not a robot, and I'm going to click on register. All right, so here you can see the activation email, and all I have to do here is to click on the link to activate my account on LinkedIn, and we are good to go. So here I have verified my email address, and all I have to do now is to go ahead and sign in. So here I have my account ready. So before we get started, I need to show you the functionalities and things you're going to be needing here. So here you're going to see the dashboard. Here you're going to see recent clicks, you're going to see clicks, and then the clicks you have gotten today. And then if you come over to statistics, this is where you're going to get a deep statistics on what is happening on each of your links. So here you're going to see your links, when you uploaded the link and all of that. And here you're going to see the clicks, how many clicks you're getting on each link that you added whenever you added it, right? And here you're going to see visitors map, where the country and everything, the country that visited and everything. So that is all you're getting here. And then let's come down to link management. So this is where you're going to be putting your link, and this is archived link. Any link that you don't want to be active again, you can just archive it and you won't have the link active again. And then here you're going to see the expired links that are expired on your platform. You can see them here and choose to activate them if you want to, or just leave it like that. So what we're going to do now is to click on link, and we're going to paste in our video link. So this is my video link, and one thing that this thing does is that it doesn't confuse you with the links. You know, when you have a lot of links and there's no name, there's no title, it's going to be confusing if you want to use that link again. So you don't need to know the particular link. All you have to do is to create the deep link, and it's going to populate the name of the video, the title of the video, everything about the video, so that anytime you want to share that particular link in future, you're just going to come here and copy the link and you're good to go. So here I'm going to click on create a link. So now the link has been created, and you can see that it generated a QR code for us. Now, how cool is this? So this QR code, you can choose to print it and paste it anywhere that you want, and you're going to be getting a lot of traffic to your videos. And here is the link. So all you need to do is to just copy this link and you're good to go. So this particular link here is going to link people directly to their YouTube native app, where they're going to now open your video. And again, if you're not using this, you're missing out on a lot of traffic that will come from those people, because let's say someone ends up watching your video on the browser, the person will never ever see your video again, never, except the person clicks on your video link again on Instagram and then get to watch it, right? But if you want to get, grow your audience, grow your views, grow your subscribers, if you use a deep link, that is this link that you're getting here, and the person clicks on it and it takes the person to the native app on YouTube, after watching your video for the first time, anytime that the person logs into YouTube again and you have a new video, your video is going to be part of the first videos to show up on the person's homepage. So that is how you grow very fast. But if you do it the other way around, you're going to be missing out on that. So here that we have this, all we have to do is now copy this and we're done. Click on done and we have our link, and you can see here, you can see the title of the link, how to create an AliExpress dropshipping website. And you can see 0 clicks, 0 unique clicks. And this is 1 second ago. And if you want to copy the link, all you have to do is to click on copy to copy the link, assuming you didn't copy it before, or assuming you want to copy it sometime in future. You won't need the link. All you have to do is just click and copy it. So now let's go ahead and test the link and see if it's working. Although this is for desktop, so you might not see much difference, but let me just prove to you that this is going to take me to my video. And here you have it. And here you have it. My video just popped out. How to create an AliExpress dropshipping website using a WooCommerce team. Now in this video, I showed how I was able to make over $100,000 every single month by doing dropshipping with AliExpress. And if you want to learn that, here is a tutorial that I made on this video for you to learn everything that you need to know about dropshipping and AliExpress, linking AliExpress to your website and everything that you need. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.